I enjoy painting children so much. I learn from it every single time. Hi everyone, I'm Anna Rose Bain, and today I'll be painting a 6-month-old baby for you, and I'll be painting it from a photograph. So along the way, I'll be sharing my tips on how I select reference photos, the materials I use, how to mix skin tones for little ones, and much, much more. There's always more subtlety that could be expressed and could be mastered in a painting. I like to choose expressions that are very characteristic of that particular age of the child. With a painting, I'm really going for something a little bit more thoughtful, maybe a little bit more introspective. There is so much power in expression, and that to me is what ends up holding the viewer's attention in a portrait of a young child like this. Expression of the gesture and the pose, and the expression in the eyes. That's really what I look for, and I'm lucky that little shepherd is so expressive. When I saw this picture of him, I knew I had to paint it.